Hi everyone, today we're going to look at index law number 2. So in this case, if we have two bases that are the same and it's division, we end up subtracting, and you'll know what I mean in just a second. So here I've got z to the power of 5 divided by z to the power of 3. We're going to start by writing it in the big expanded form, and hopefully by seeing it in the big form, you'll end up realizing the quick way, this way, to get down to the final answer. So when you do it, you won't have to bother writing the giant, long expanded form. You can just jump straight to the answer. All right, cool. So to solve this question, as I said, I'm going to be writing it in expanded form. So that's z times z, get a better texter, times z times z times z. There we go, that looks much better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's being divided by 3 z's. So z times z times z. And now anytime when we have a fraction like this, we've got division and it's written like a fraction, I can cancel things out if they appear on the top and the bottom. So this one can go and that one can go, this one and that one, this one and that one. So I'm only left with 2 z's. So the final answer will be z to the power of 2. But let's have a look. Is there a faster way that I could get down to that answer just by looking at my indices? If I were to go z to the power of 5 minus 3, I'd get 2, because that's exactly what has happened. I've had the 5 here and I took away 3, so I'm left with 2. So I don't have to bother writing the expanded form. I could just jump straight to z to the power of 5 minus 3 equals 2. Let's try it again. I'll start by writing it in expanded form and see if we can find a faster way to do it. So here I've got r to the power of 9 divided by r to the power of 5. So I'll have 9 r's, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I should have chosen a smaller number. And it's divided by 5. Okay, so r 5 times 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Same as before, if it's written in fraction form, I'm crossing one off at the top and one off at the bottom. So 1 there, top, 1 bottom, bottom and top, bottom and top, bottom and top, bottom and a top. So I am left with this many. Before I write my final answer, let's see if we can figure it out just using the rule. So I've got r, 9 minus 5. The answer should be 9 take away 5 is 4. Let's see if that's what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy days. Awesome. Let's do it one last time. Yet here I have decided to put really big indices, and now I'm full of remorse because it will take forever to write out. But let's see how we go. So I've got 12 m's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What was I thinking? 11, 12. All right, and then it's divided by 11. Oh gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Never let me write my own questions again. I come up with terrible questions. Anyway, all right, let's get crossing. So I need to cross, I'm cancelling, that's what I'm doing. So I'm cancelling 1 on the bottom, 1 on the top. Actually, before I do that, I better just double check that I wrote the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I'm good. Cross 1 at the bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, and top, bottom, 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 and top. So I'm left with this. But before I look at that, I want to see if I can find the answer quickly without having to write it, even though I did, just using our rules. So I've got m to the power of 12 minus 11. My answer should be m to the power of 1, which I actually don't even need to write as to the power of 1. It's just m. It's just m, baby. Awesome. So that is rule number 2, the index law number 2. The rules surrounding that particular index law means that your bases have to be the same. and you're dividing, which means that you end up minusing your indices. Okay, thank you for watching.